Are you stressed out about the current health crisis? I'm Dr. Kez, Doctor of Chiropractic, and I'm going to take you through 6 acupressure points to help you stress less. What are acupressure points? You've probably heard of acupuncture points, which are found through meridians within your body. Acupressure is using pressure on these points instead of needles, which makes it perfectly safe for you to use at home, including on your kids. So let's take you through these points now to help you to reduce your anxiety and stress. Point number 1 is called Halt of Impression point, and it's found between your eyebrows. This is great for reducing anxiety and stress. Just massage this point with your thumb for about 5 minutes. It makes a huge difference to calm your anxiety levels. Point number 2 is called Heavenly Gate point, and it's actually found inside the outer part of your ear. There's a little triangular area that you need to rub inside the ear, and that helps you to relieve anxiety, stress, and insomnia. Very helpful. Point number 3 is called the shoulder well point. Pinch this muscle with your finger and your thumb and rub it for a period of about 3 minutes. It relieves a lot of stress and tension, and it can even relieve headaches. It is really important for you to note that this particular acupressure point can induce labour. So if you're pregnant, please avoid this point. Point number 4 is called the Union Valley point. This is found in between your thumb and your index in the web of that area. Rub that point for about 10 seconds. This reduces stress. It can also reduce headaches. Something you need to be aware of again, this point can induce labour, so please avoid if you're pregnant. Point number 5 is called the Great Surge point. If you find the webbing between your great toe, your big toe, and your second toe, and then bring it down about 2 to 3 finger spaces below, you'll find that that's where the bones intersect. It's actually quite a tender point. Rub this point and it helps you to relieve insomnia as well as anxiety and stress. Rub this point for about 10 seconds. Point number 6 is called the Inner Frontier Gate point, and it's found about 3 finger widths below the crease of your wrist, in between the tendons in there. Rub this point for about 10 seconds and it really does help to relieve stress and also pain and discomfort. In the current climate, we are all extremely stressed out. We just don't know what's happening and what's yet to come. This is just one way that you can help reduce your stress levels. If you've got any other great tips that you like to use to help calm yourself down, put them in the comments below. I'm sure other people will really benefit from that. I'm Dr. Kez. Thank you for having us on your therapeutic journey.